What if the light goes from the denser medium to rarer medium?
Away from normal.
Okay, what is this angle called?
Normal.
Angle of incidence.
Angle of incidence. What is this angle called?
Angle of refraction.
Angle of refraction. What is this line called? Incidence ray. What is this line called? Refracted ray. What is this line called? Normal. Why is it called normal? Because it makes 90 degree with the surface.
Straight.
Okay, is that clear? What if the light comes from the rarer medium to denser? Sorry, from denser medium to rarer medium. Let's take some other example. Let's take example of diamond. Let's take example of diamond. And let's take example of glass. Which is more dense?
Diamond.
Of course, diamond is more dense. I told you. 2.42 we have for diamond and 1.52 we have for ground glass. Remember? And how much we had refractive index for water? Refractive index of water was 1.33, I guess. 1.33. What was the refractive index of air?
1.1.
It was 1.0005, something like that. So let's suppose it's 1 only. Okay. So it's coming from rarer medium to denser medium. More the refractive index, more dense the medium. More refractive index, more dense the medium. What about diamond? What is the refractive index of diamond? 2.42. Okay. What is the refractive index of glass? Something, I guess, ground glass. There are a lot of types of glass. Okay, one type is ground glass. It has around 1.52 or something. Okay, 1.52 or something. Is that fine? So now, is this denser or is glass denser? Is diamond denser than glass? Right? Yes. So if the ray of light comes from the denser medium, let's suppose it comes from diamond. The incident ray comes from diamond. Will it bend towards the normal or it will bend
Away.
It will bend away from the normal. What does that mean, towards the normal, away from the normal? If there was no medium change, listen to me, if there was no medium change, how would have this light passed? Straight. It would have passed straight like this. Bending towards the normal means like this. Okay? Bending away from the normal means like this. Understood? Punashri, understood? Away from the normal means like this. Towards the normal means like this. So it will bend away from the normal towards the away from the normal. So this will be our refracted ray. What will be our angle of incidence? This will be our angle of incidence, right? Angle of refraction, this one or full? The full one. So this will be our angle of refraction. Is angle of refraction more than angle of incidence?
Yes.
Are they equal? No, they are not equal. They are not equal. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Reflection, not refraction. It will be less. Here angle of refraction is less, right? Here angle of refraction is more. Why it's more here? Because it's coming from rarer medium to denser medium. Sorry, denser medium to rarer medium. Is that clear? Understood? And we used to write this refractive index, two types of refractive index. I told you one is absolute, one is relative. If we compare two mediums other than air, for example, I compare glass to the diamond, glass to the or diamond to the glass. What I write? Refractive index like N, right? Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass, DW. How do I say it? Refractive index of diamond with respect to refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. I write it ND divided by NG. Refractive index of diamond divided by refractive index of glass. That will be equal to velocity of light in glass divided by velocity ulta. Divided by velocity of light in diamond. Understood? What is this? Relative or is this absolute? Relative. Now what we have here? Relative or absolute? Absolute. Can I write refractive index of water with respect to air? No need to write air. Okay, is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in water. Or else, see, don't get confused. It will be same. See, if I use the same formula, I will get the same. Refractive index of water with respect to refractive index of air will be equal to refractive index of water with respect to refractive index of air is equal to velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in water. Same? Yes. No change? Okay. I will put refractive index of water divided by refractive index of air. How much? 1. Right? Is equal to velocity of light in air. Can I write it C?
Yes, sir.
Okay, velocity of light in water. Is it clear? Divided by velocity. So I can directly write NW, refractive index of water is equal to C divided by velocity of light in water. Understood? Understood? What is this refractive index? Is this absolute refractive index or is this relative refractive
Absolute.
index?
Absolute.
Refractive index. And this is our relative refractive index. Any confusion you have? Velocity of light will be here more or here more? Will velocity of light be more in air or will be more in water?
Air.
It will be in water. Okay. So velocity of light is decreasing, right? More refractive index, remember. More refractive index, more dense the
Medium.
More refractive index, more dense the
Medium.
medium. Less the speed of light. Right? Will speed of light be more in diamond or glass? Glass. Because refractive index is less. It's less dense compared to diamond. Understood? This is clear to you now? This is clear to you? So, moving on to next part, that will be